Anderson has a hearing test, so packing up both the kids, and I have to go to the hospital for that. And then I have a very exciting meeting this afternoon with someone about like editing, hiring an editor. I don't know, you know, what will come of it, even if it's just like a productive conversation, ask her some questions even. But yeah, that's this afternoon, and I'm really excited about that because I want to line it up with Anderson's nap, or his second nap. But you know how that goes. The time you plan on doing something during nap time is when like they're just not gonna nap when they normally do. Okay, this is a very me outfit. These like loose low-rise jeans have been my obsession lately, and then this oversized t-shirt. It's already covered in Anderson's avocado, but this is just such me in an outfit. It's one of my favorites and go-tos. I feel like it's so like easy but chic. With the right hair and makeup, it like doesn't look frumpy. And then I hope my like nasally voice is not way too annoying because I have a cold from the kids or from work. I don't even know, but I'm like so nasally right now. So we're back from the city, back from our appointment. Good and bad news. So Anderson does have some decreased hearing, some hearing impairment from all these ear infections and also fluid buildup and stuff. So yeah, bad news in the fact that that's happening, but good news that like it is information that we needed in order to like put tubes in and kind of just like figure out what to do next. So I'm super, super hopeful that if we do the tubes, he will just be a different kiddo. He's a happy, amazing kiddo. But I remember how happy he was and content and just an absolute ray of sunshine before his first ear infection. And then it just seemed like he could just never get over it and was just not his normal self since then. So I don't know. I don't want to put all my hope in tubes and whatnot, but I kind of do. I don't know. But like, it's so sad to think about, like, he can't hear as well as he should. Like, she said that his hearing was the equivalent of walking around with like his ears in his fingers. So, okay, what are you doing? Yeah, so I'm just making Georgia and I some grilled cheeses for lunch. And then I kind of want to just like sit down and do like a full like spring cleaning to-do list kind of thing. I finally think I can commit to like putting away like winter coats and parkas and everything. I have been wanting to do that for weeks, but every time I go to do it, like the next day is like freezing or just so all over the place. But I think, I hope and pray that we're finally in spring. Oh my gosh. What I need for this Zoom call. I just laid Anderson down and he is like, I don't know if you can see, squirming and moving. He has his butt in the air right now. I'm just like praying that he either falls asleep or just stays like chill long enough to do this. I think I have this fired up right. Okay. So that was good. Am I even recording? Okay, that was good. That was informative. That was a good chat. It was kind of as I was expecting. I don't think it's like the right time to like really hire an editor and to like dive in and commit to that, like for them and for me, because like I just like cannot get a filming schedule down to save my life. And so to just commit to like, yeah, I can get you all these clips, and I can commit to like once 3 videos a week and all, or 3 videos a month, and yeah. Okay, I'll get you one. Yeah, it was good to know like their minimum, like payment wise, and just like expectations, and honestly is such like it's a good motivator for me. Like I want to get there. I want, that to be realistic for me one day. But right now, I gotta keep hustling, which is fine. Yeah, it's fine. No, I'm just tired thinking about it. Okay, a massive order from Costco just showed up. I order all of our Costco stuff through Instacart because you can get produce, you can get literally everything. And a lot of this, like my husband just grabbed my phone and added a bunch of stuff. So I don't even fully know what is in this order. So let's open her up together, I suppose. Okay, we'll do this one first because there's stuff that has to go in the fridge. But we have these fudge bars. I think I've had these before and they're really good. 90 calories per bar. And then my mom and I wanted to split these burgers. These were the like #1 seller on Costco, so we'll see. These are the Angus beef burgers, 21 grams of protein, 20 burgers in here. I think it was like $30 or something, 35. Anderson would probably gladly eat this entire block of cheese in one sitting, so we needed a big old thing of cheese. Full thing of chicken thighs. Ryan got these vanilla milkshake protein shakes. These would probably be good in like a coffee. I normally don't like prepackaged like vanilla protein, but we'll see how that is. A big old thing of #4 diapers. I feel like daycare is going to be asking for another sleeve soon for Anderson. This house is in a big Honey Nut Cheerio kick, so literally got a double pack of those. Kirkland nut bars, Kirkland protein bars. These are my husband's orders. I don't really love these. Simply protein bars, peanut butter chocolate, passion fruit coconut. That sounds weird. And dark chocolate almond. I also don't really love the like puffed rice style protein bars. I don't know, my husband needs a lot of snacks at work, okay? These were my order. These are protein shells, dark chocolate, peanut butter, 0 sugar, 10 grams of protein. Yeah, to me, these look delicious. That is a lot of gum. Advil. Oh my gosh, I didn't know we got these. So these are the Kirkland grass-fed beef sticks. There's 12 in here. 10 grams of protein for 1 stick. Some everything bagels, some salted butter, these blueberry clusters, white chocolate blueberry clusters. And I think that's everything. I'm very intrigued by these, so I want to give these a try. This is the package they come in. And that's what they look like. They're like crumbling all over the carpet. It's very coconut heavy, and I don't love coconut. They're okay. They're a nice, like, afternoon sweet treat, guilt-free-ish sweet treat. Nearly 3 o'clock is kind of an insane time for me to crack this open right now, but Ryan has volleyball Monday nights, and so I kind of want to just, like, keep the energy up, keep the momentum, and maybe, like, film this whole thing and also edit it tonight. So if I'm gonna try and do that, I'm gonna need a little go-go juice. Oh, the gate's closed? Okay, I'll open it. I feel like I've waited an eternity for this. Oh my god. What do we got here? Ah! Hey! Ooh, glow boosting facial screen. Sunscreen. Ooh, this feels fancy. It's tinted. Ooh, it's a little bit tinted. I think I'm gonna like this. Yeah, that looks very nice. Dinner, I have these like pre-made chicken thighs that are stuffed with risotto, broccoli, and cheddar. So I'm just gonna toss them on a cookie sheet and put them in the oven, and then maybe some rice and broccoli on the side. Forgot the parchment paper. It'll probably be fine, right? Okay, so we've had dinner, and now I need my evening sweet treat. So let's give one of these bad boys a try. So protein shells, 0 sugar, dark chocolate peanut butter crunch. I do like the flavor of dark chocolate and peanut butter together, and I put this in the fridge, so I feel like that will help. That's really good. Wow, that is so good. That's like the perfect thing when you need something sweet after lunch or dinner or whatever. That's what it looks like on the inside. Definitely more like crunchy than creamy than I was expecting. The picture is a bit deceiving. It's not that creamy. It's definitely more crunchy. Maybe because it was in the fridge, but that's very good. It's almost like a peanut brittle in the middle. I like that a lot. You ready to go to bed, big boy? Sure, food and cups. Okay. Okay, here's some food and cups.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good. You're welcome. Go in.
Okay, I'm gonna go in now. Okay, sure. Okay. Oh, my buns are stuck. Okay, I'm in.
Okay. What do you need?
I need some ice cream.
Okay.
Okay, sure. I'm gonna take out this Parmesan and sun-dried tomato chicken cavatappi with roasted green beans. Sounds amazing. And I don't know, it even looks good frozen. So that'll be lunch tomorrow. Probably even like half will be lunch. And as you saw, I made my overnight oats. And then I think I'm gonna have the most, yeah? Yep. And then I think I'm gonna have the most glorious shower and see how much of this I can edit or prep, or maybe do none of that and just relax and go to sleep. I don't know. We'll see. But thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And yeah, I would love to know like what you love out of vlogs, what you enjoy from people's, you know, YouTube videos, what like grabs your attention, you know, maybe what of my life you want to know, questions you want answered, just anything, comment anything. And yeah, I'm just glad you're here. Okay.